go guys, it's Raoul TV, Team R4UL, your favourite YouTube mechanic, back again. And what I'm doing this time around is I've got a Peugeot 207 and we're going to go ahead and replace the headlight bulb. Dead easy job, you can do it in 5 minutes. Let's go. Right, okay, the first thing what we're going to do is we're going to take this cover off. Let's pull that off from there. I'm going to go into there, and as you can see there's the wiring plug. We're going to flick that off just like that. And then what we do is we get our fingers on to this here, this little clip, push down and towards the right. So push down and then towards the right. That clip should come off. There we go. Clip comes off. Then all we do is we just take the bulb out. I know my hand's in the way guys, but take the bulb out. Ta-da! Happy days. Okay, there we go. There's the new bulb. New bulb here. Make sure you have the pointer pointing towards the top. Let's get this on. And another top tip is try not touching the glass, because if you touch the glass then obviously the bulb will work, but the life expectancy is going to be not that good. If it was supposed to last you just say 6 months, it'll last you like 3 months. Anyway, I'm going to put the camera down and get this in there and I'll get back at you guys. As you can see there, I've got the bulb back in there. All we do now is get that clip. Just 1 second guys. The clip's there, as you can see. All we do is just push it this way and then all we do is just push it this way. I don't know if you can see it, and then back again. There we go. That little hook there. Try focusing. That little hook there. Make sure the clip goes on the hook. Then we put the plug back on. Let's try it just before we put the cover on. Let's go. Well, there we go guys, that's it. I told you it takes about 5 minutes. Replace the headlight bulb, absolutely easy on a Peugeot 207. I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Trying my best. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raoul TV, Team R4UL. We'll see you guys next time.